Welcome back to another video of 30 Days CAD Challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 23. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to do advanced sketching, how to use revolve feature and how to use extruded boss base feature. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. First of all, we would be making the circular section of this whole model consisting of the outer circle, the inner circle and this inner part. Okay. And this is of 75. Okay. Give a sketch fillet of 5 mm radius. Okay. This make this 20. Okay. Now revolve it and okay. Alright. Now start making these two. Take a center line first of all. Okay. Click on this circle and make it convert entities. Then draw this rectangle part first. Okay. Then trim the other part. Okay. Now make it extrude in the reverse direction of 20 mm. Okay. Now take a reference plane from this surface. Yeah, at a distance of 20 mm. Okay. Again make a center line. Make a square. And click on this circle. Convert entities. Now dimension it. Okay. Also make a circle in between. 14. Okay. Trim the other entities. Okay. Alright. make fillet of radius 12. Okay, alright, hide these both planes. Now take a reference plane at the center. Make it mirror over here and okay. Alright, now hide this plane. The last part is left, making this. Go on reference plane. Okay, sketch on this plane. Click on this circle and convert entities. Make a center line.
Circle. Refine. Right.
Click should boss base. Which direction? 50 mm. Okay. Sketch on this surface.
Clear. Select off right over here and over here and also over here. Okay. And okay. We're gonna shoot that. Okay. And also
Give this 10 mm more and okay. Now hide this. And here our model 23 is ready. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.